Fresh milk helps plants grow healthily, stimulates seeds to germinate quickly, and is also resistant to pests and diseases, so I will add fresh milk to the soil to sow seeds. I want healthy young plants. I choose old tomatoes with strong seeds to grow young plants. After incubating, I will sprinkle a layer of water on top to create moisture for the seeds to germinate quickly. I will tape the large holes in the styrofoam box to prevent soil from flowing away. I punched a few holes in the bottom of the barrel to prevent waterlogging. I took a soda bottle, cut off the bottom of the bottle and punched a small hole to attach a piece of wire to make a water path for the plant, to avoid the plant being flooded. As for this bottle, I will cut the top of the bottle and punch a few small holes in the bottom to dispose of kitchen waste. For plants to grow healthy and quickly take root, the soil must have enough nutrients. I mix worm castings with the soil to grow plants. I put a layer of soil at the bottom and spread a layer of rice husks in the middle, then continued to add soil on top to make the soil loose when planting trees. I put the cut soda bottle in the middle of the kitchen trash can. After only 10 days of sowing the seeds, the young plants are now very healthy. I will plant them in a styrofoam box. After planting, I will put kitchen waste in to create organic fertilizer. When the compost flows through the small holes of the bottle into the soil will absorb it for the plant to grow. Now I put water in this bottle and add some molasses to create more nutrients for the plant. Molasses contains substances such as vitamin C and vitamin A. Now that the tree is starting to take root, I will dig a layer of soil on top to moisten the soil. Then I will put a layer of soil on top and spread rice husks on top so that the soil is always cool, helping the plant grow healthier. I put kitchen waste in a bottle and add worm castings to the base of the plant. I water the plants. I trimmed off the old leaves below and continued to till the soil above to avoid compaction, which makes it difficult for the plant to grow. To provide more nutrients for the plant, I add worm castings to the base. Molasses helps plants develop strong roots, so I will mix molasses with water to water the plants. this is the stage when pests and fungi invade very quickly. I mix ginger with water and spray it on the plants. Ginger is very effective in repelling insects and preventing fungi. It's amazing that in just 45 days the tree I planted produced a lot of fruit. Now I will pick them and bring them in and design delicious dishes. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.